Queen of 𝐀𝐡𝐭𝐢𝐬𝐚 Festival, Miss Young and Berga, Binibining Pilipinas International 2018, and the first runner-up of Miss International 2018. A forgiving and trusting person, for her happiness
Ahtisa,
is
Manalo.
contentment. Her slogan, be kind to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, may we call the pride of our beloved town, Miss Maria Ahtisa Manalo, for being the ambassador of goodwill. A round of applause for her, please.
Yes, another exceptional personality in the field of beauty, of course. And very, very proud because she is a graduate of Inverga University, Candelaria. Okay, so again, we have our awardees for 2020 Glow Award, Attorney Ferdinand R. Maliwanag in the field of local governance,
Ferdinand O. De Gala for the field of macro entrepreneurship,
Miss Merlita Salcedo for agribusiness,
Mr. Darius D. Benalable for the field of sports of Taekwondo,
Grabsum School Incorporated in the field of learning institution,
and Miss Maria Ahtisa Manalo for the ambassador of goodwill.
How about a big round of applause, everyone? Imagine, Candelaria, Quezon producing these people na hindi lamang local, hindi lamang national, international pa ang
Tama
dating.
po, at nakilala talaga ang Candelarias dahil sa mga taong ito.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much and congratulations. Sana maging example sila, sana maging inspiration sila ng mga kabataan na nandito ngayon. No, na para naman na malay mo in the near future, Jordan, kagaya mo, malay mo, nandyan ka sa stage at bibigyan ka ng Glow Award.
Tama ma'am, sana nga po. And sana mapuno din itong stage na to ng mga atleta, beauty queen, and all of the people na nasa behind the success ng Candelaria.
Yes.
Kanilang municipal hall at ang Candelaria po ay isa sa mga first class municipalities in the province of Quezon. And like any other town in the Philippines, it has its own festival. Tinatawag nila yung Candle Festival. Ito yung charts nila. Isang ito ay gawa sa coconut. Mula sa head hanggang dingding hanggang bubong ay coconut. Galing ng isang kubol na to. Ang daming candle, oh.
Tayo.
Nasaan si Abby?
Andyan.
Nalimutan ko, meron pala akong pinsan dito.
Yes,
Oh.
sasayaw kami mamaya.
Sasayaw sila mamaya dito sa stage.
Iba-vlog mo kami ha.